States. It's Mark from the United States.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Mark from the States. How are we doing today? I am doing fantastic. I hope you are as well. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out. Come sit with me. We're going to take a quiz today. How well do you know your World War II aircraft? This is going to be embarrassing. Maybe not embarrassing, but I'm going to forget a lot of these. I just know I'm going to do horribly. It's the honor system. Keep your score. Let me know in the comments how you did. You're going to know how poorly I did. So, gosh, I'm a little nervous about this. I just hope I get some of the ones that I've already watched videos on. That's my, yes, Leo. Leo's chirping. You want to take the quiz with us? Come here. Oh, come here. Okay. He's going to take the quiz with us. No? You don't want to take the quiz? Let's take the quiz. You want to take the quiz? Okay. No, he does. Oh, okay. Hold on. He does not want to take the quiz. You know why? It's because he doesn't know anything about World War II aircraft. Little brat. Okay. Let's do this. Jump out. All right, just keep your own score. This is going to be fun. Like I said, I'm nervous. I hope I don't miss the most obvious ones. But I was never a good test taker. All right, here we go. Here we go. World War II aircraft. Well, I know that one. There are 30. Oh, shoot. Only 5 seconds? Well, you're allowed to pause. From 1 to 10 are fighters. Okay. Here we go. That's the Spitfire. So far, so good. That's the Messerschmitt 109. Hands are clammy. Nervous. P-51. Mustang. Hope they're all this easy. That's the Zero. 6. 190. Heinkel? Oh no, Fokker 190. Oh gosh. Hellcat. Hurricane. Oh, that's the jet. That's the 162. Oh yes. Heinkel 162. Yeah. Got nothing on that. Russian aircraft, I don't know nothing. No idea. Lucian. Oh, okay. I've heard of them. It's 2. Limited twin air bombers. Okay, I know that one. That's the Admiral Lancaster. That's the Mitchell Liberator. I get those and Mitchell used. Oh, this is the jump. One set. Yeah, S3. Darn it. B-29. It's an easy one. Short? Oh my gosh. Do I get that one? No. No, it has a chick's name though. Yep. That's a miss. What is that? Marauder. That's embarrassing. Nope. Wellington. Doggone it. Wellington. Shoot. Was that 6? No. Don't know that one either. Toe. Is it 6 or 7? I can't remember how many I missed. Oh, that's the Mitchell. The other one was Liberator. That's the Mitchell. Oh no, other purpose. I'm gonna do horribly here. Oh, that's the dive bomber. Midway. Dauntless. Do I get it? Didn't say it quick enough, I don't think. Why? Oh wow. That was throwing me off there with the paint scheme. That was a trick question. Hudson. Yeah, I'm up till like 8 or 9, I think. Got nothing. Oh, that's the Junkers. I don't know what the number. Junkers. JU-52. I'm gonna give myself that one. Oh, that's the bow fighter, and I only knew that because we watched a video on it. Mosquito. I'd be embarrassed if I didn't get that one. No idea. Skytrain. C-47. I've heard of that. Oh, that's the Stukers. They're dive bomber, German. Stuka. I'm counting that I got that. Catalina. No clue. Would have never gotten that. So I think I missed between 10 and 11. So it puts me around 20. I think I'm in the average category. So how did you all do? So I missed about 10 or 11, so that puts me around 19, 20. So I'm an average. I think I'm in the average range. Some of those I had no idea. Some of those I was like, darn, like the Wellington and the Hudson. They kind of threw me off with the paint on the plane, I guess. I don't know. I don't think I would have gotten that. Let's be honest. The Japanese and the Russian aircraft I was probably never going to get, other than the most notable one, the Zero. Some of the German aircraft, not good. So how did you guys do? Let me know in the comments. You can just say how many you got right. I got about 19 to 20 right. Which for me, I'm having I'm relaxed, saying, okay, I'm happy with average. I'm happy with that performance. I was nervous as heck. I didn't care if I would have missed them all. I don't care, but I just wanted to get the airplanes that I've been watching on here. If I missed all the American, all the Japanese, all the German aircraft and Russian aircraft, I would have been okay, as long as I got the main British aircraft because I've been watching so much videos on all that stuff, and I would have just been so disappointed in myself. I think I did pretty well. I'm a little bummed I missed the Wellington. I've seen stuff on that. Granted, a long time ago, but ooh, that was fun. That was fun. Let me know how you did. Hope everybody's happy, healthy, and safe. Thanks so much for coming. Have a great day. We will see you probably tomorrow. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Mark from the States, Mark from the States, it's Mark. Yeah.